Conquer your day with phrasal verbs. Everyday activities unleashed. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into the world of phrasal verbs, an essential aspect of English that you'll find in everyday conversation. But don't worry, we'll tackle this together, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use phrasal verbs in your daily life with ease. To refresh our memories, a phrasal verb is a verb combined with a preposition or an adverb, or both, which together create a new meaning. For example, give up means to quit something, which is different from the individual meanings of give and up. We use phrasal verbs in various situations every single day. Here are some common ones. 1. Wake up, to stop sleeping. 2. Turn on, turn off, to start, stop a device or equipment. 3. Pick up, to lift something or someone. 4. Drop off, to leave something or someone at a place. 5. Hang out, to spend time relaxing or enjoying. Now, let's see these phrasal verbs in action. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Could you please turn on the lights? She picked up the book from the table. I will drop off the package at the post office. We usually hang out at the park on weekends. Practicing these examples will help you understand the context and usage better. Let's look at some more phrasal verbs. Check out, to examine or investigate. Look up, to search for information, especially online or in a book. Dress up, to wear fancy or formal clothes. Eat out, to have a meal in a restaurant. Work out, to exercise in order to improve the strength or appearance of your body. Let's try some exercises. 1. I usually blank the new restaurant in town before going there. 2. She loves to blank for parties. 3. After a long day of work, they prefer to blank rather than cook. Can you fill in the blanks with the correct phrasal verbs we learned today? Well, that's it for today's lesson on phrasal verbs. Remember, learning phrasal verbs can be challenging, but they are an essential part of English, especially for everyday conversation. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be able to use them effortlessly. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.